Hey everyone, my name is Jamie. I've known Thea for about 10 years and I want to talk to you about my hair journey. When I first met Thea, I went in every 12 weeks just for trim. When I hit 35, I started noticing a difference in the way that my hair was growing. In my 20s, I had beautifully long, shiny, wouldn't necessarily be thick, but I had a lot of hair. It always looked really good. I got a lot of compliments on it. I've never had a lot of breakage. I have had a lot of fallout, but definitely not breakage. And I think that going every 12 weeks really made a difference for me. Once I hit 35, the pandemic happened, where I couldn't go every 12 weeks. I also started a new health and fitness journey for myself. I went from washing my hair once a day to washing my hair twice a day. I lost such a dramatic amount of weight. My hair fallout happened even more. I started having balding spots. My hair was very thin. I was braiding my hair every single day wet. I would wear my hair to work every day in a wet ponytail. I was going to straighten my hair or curl my hair with hot tools. I never took the time to buy like heat protectant. After damaging my hair from the braiding and the constant washing for a little over a year, that was like what is going on moment for me. Finally got to go back to Thea. She was so excited to see me, of course. Then once her fingers touched my hair, I just knew everything that I had been seeing was the truth. I kind of told her exactly what I just told you, and she said, okay, we're gonna get your hair back to where we need it to be. She advised for me to go to my regular physician and have my thyroid checked. She was concerned if I had thyroid issues, that would be the main culprit to the hair loss. Luckily for me, said my thyroid was fine. My blood work had came back with extremely low vitamin D level. She recommended that I start taking vitamin D pills. You can get this at Walmart, Target, literally anywhere. Her second recommendation, biotin. I've heard about this for a long time. These two things combined together were life-changing. After the first 30 days of being on these and I went back to Thea, she started asking questions. Hey, how was your appointment? I told her that my thyroid was great and that she had recommended biotin and vitamin D. She's like, okay, I can tell like a little bit of difference. At that point, I had only been taking them for 12 weeks. You can't really tell much in 12 weeks if you ask me. After that, I pretty much focused on the hair product that she recommended. Olaplex number 6, the Bond Smoother. You can put in on damp hair, on dry hair. It's supposed to take away the frizz, make your hair shiny. She recommended the shampoo and conditioner number 4 and number 5. And I have always trusted Thea. She has always had the best interest for me as a client. We have had the best stories together and I just feel very valued when I'm in her chair. In the past, when I've seen other stylists, they want to push all of their salon products on you. All they really cared about was the money. With Thea, I've never really felt that way. When she suggested it, I thought, why not? What do I have to lose? I actually went to Ulta to buy the number 4, number 5 shampoo conditioner. But Ulta does not sell Olaplex. I bought this on Amazon. I didn't want to go plunge into trying something. I wanted to try one product at a time so that I could really narrow down what was going to help me. I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on something that might not have worked for me. Luckily enough, I really liked the Olaplex. After that, I started to venture out on my own. I couldn't find the Olaplex at Ulta. Instead of buying that, I started just walking around, see what I could find. Things that were like thickening agents, shampoos and conditioners that were paraben free, a whole bunch of stuff. I also wanted it to be budget friendly. I went out and I bought Kristen S and I did the extra gentle shampoo with conditioner. In the beginning, like after the pandemic, definitely tried to be that person who only washed their hair once every couple of days, but I don't really like the way my hair feels. I feel like I have oily hair. I said, okay, enough of the twice a day. I only wash my hair once a day. Stopped braiding my hair. I stopped putting my hair up in wet ponytails. Changed my hair ties that I was using, not only with the Kristen S shampoo and conditioner. I also found this Paul Mitchell lemon and sage thickening shampoo, which smells really good. You can buy this at Ulta. This is what the shampoo looks like. This is the conditioner. I paid about $10 a bottle. Same goes for that Kristen S shampoo and conditioner. If I was gonna try something, I was trying to do something budget friendly and see after a couple of months of using it, was there a difference? Luckily enough for me, it all kind of combined together. After seeing Thea last last December. It was such an incredible experience to have her acknowledge things that I was using, really see the difference in my hair. My ponytail, when I first went in back in September, this whole piece of my hair is my entire ponytail. Last time when I walked in to see Thea and she asked me to make this video, I couldn't not say yes. Things that I went through over the last couple of years, and because of her guidance and stories of other people, led me in the path of having my hair be where I want it to be. When I saw her in December, I really want to do a dye job on my hair for once, biolage, or however you say that, hair dye, the trending hairstyle. That's what I wanted to do. She said, no girl, we need to get your hair back. I love that about her. Like, I really appreciate the fact that you're invested in me, and that she said, no, we can't do that. It would have just really ruined my hair. So now I'm constantly going back every 12 weeks, taking the biotin, taking the vitamin D, trying out a variety of shampoos and conditioners, and giving it some time. I think I just in the beginning was frustrated. I was like, why can't I notice results in 30 days? The truth is that it's taken me this long to find something that's worked for me. You can see right now a huge difference in my hair. It's shiny, I have lots of volume. Check that out. Look at that ponytail. Because I'm doing all those things, I'm back to getting compliments. I'm back to like doing my hair and loving the way that it looks and feeling like, yes, this is it. As we grow older, women with hair falling out, natural thinning as we hit 40, that was the start of all of it for me. But I just think that if you try things and talk about your story with other people, it's like kind of embarrassed, so to speak, and I just didn't really want to talk to anyone about it. But I think the more that you open up about what's happening with you, you'd be surprised at how many people are going through those same things. Who knows, maybe they'll, put you in the direction of trying something new, hair product wise, vitamins, not always just like an external thing. It could have been an internal thing. If it wasn't for the guidance of Thea, but my physician, I would have never tried the biotin vitamin D. Who would have thought that had anything to do with hair? But for me, I've noticed really does help with hair growth and thickening straight from the roots, and it gives me a lot of volume and shine. I love the Olaplex because it smells amazing. It's not super greasy either, nor are those shampoos and conditioners. You just put it in your hand and kind of run it through your hair from like your ear down. Going back to the Kristen S shampoos and conditioners because I loved them so much, I actually went out and bought a few more of her products and I was not disappointed whatsoever. It's called the Working Serum. And basically it helps with frizz, put a few pumps in your hair, rub it around. Pretty similar to what this is. I have a tendency to use this more often. Comparison wise, I haven't noticed much of a difference. I do enjoy the smell of this far more. On the super humid days, this works a lot better. If you're trying to go for like a low budget cost, I would definitely go with this. Doing a heat protectant, I would recommend her blow dry mist. You can put this in your hair wet. I don't do it that way. I wash my hair, alternate from the Paul Mitchell to the Kristen S. When my hair is damp, I put a couple of pumps, rub it through from here down. I comb it through my entire head, blow dry my hair, and then when I section my hair off to curl it or straighten it, spray this like hairspray in those areas, the heat protectant up to I think 450 degrees. This works great for me. Typically what I do after I curl all of it, I use some hairspray, and then in the very end, this is when I use the Olaplex, and I use that as like a sealer of some sort towards the end of all of it. But yeah, that's kind of what's helped me. I hope that in the midst of this chaotic video, I've never done this before, that you guys can find some hope and a little bit of encouragement. Get out and really speak about your story and ask questions, and go see your physician, and just try TikTok trends. Truthfully, if you start following beauty people, you might be able to find something that helps you as well. The last time I had seen Thea, she said, girl, if you keep up what you're doing, eventually finally gonna be able to get to the hair dye that I wanted to do. I'm really looking forward to that. Just being able to feel confident in that as a woman is an amazing feeling. I hope that this video has helped you, and wishing you the best of luck. Bye.